We have approximately 500 employees, of which almost 200, maybe 220 were at one stage an apprentice. We currently have 13 across a wide range of disciplines, to traditional engineering and electrical apprenticeships, but also some more modern apprenticeships in health and safety, HR and finance as well.
I was about 10 years into doing sales-based work, and it took me 10 years to finally realise that's not for me. So I had to look at various different apprenticeship opportunities available. Came across the one here at Cory and felt that it'd be a much better opportunity for me to do. Went through the interview process, was successful, and since being here, it's been a bit of a dream, to be honest. It's all gone like clockwork. So once I've finished the apprenticeship, the goal is from there is to continue to build my knowledge and experience within the company, with the intention that hopefully after a couple of years I can then make the next step up to mechanical technician. The main goal is to try and tick all the boxes as quickly as possible and get myself up to that next level.
Our apprentices partly define who we are. Without new, young, fresh talent coming through on a yearly basis, we won't have the skills, the people, and the attributes to continue being a successful company we've been for over 200 years. So one of the great things about the apprenticeship program, especially for people who aren't sure whether they want to go to university, is that part of the experience can be live away, part of it can be in the workplace, but perhaps importantly, especially in these current times, people are earning money while they're learning as well, and getting ahead in their careers early. So one of the great things about our apprenticeship programs is the social value that we can add to our local communities. We are selecting people from local schools, local colleges, some who have had challenging routes through education and out of it, and we are providing good quality, sustainable jobs and great qualifications for local people.